Marine ecosystems and ocean conservation. Marine scientists continue to reveal alarming patterns in ocean health as they trace the devastating effects of climate change on underwater ecosystems. The incidence of coral bleaching has increased dramatically over the past decade, forcing researchers to initiate comprehensive studies across multiple ocean regions worldwide. These extensive investigations incorporate advanced monitoring technology to track temperature fluctuations at regular intervals, providing crucial input for sophisticated conservation models and predictive systems that guide future policy decisions. Dr. Sarah Chen's recent lecture at the International Marine Biology Institute emphasized how intelligent data collection systems now track and index species migration patterns with unprecedented accuracy and remarkable detail. We must instruct our research teams to maintain a neutral position when analyzing complex environmental data, she explained carefully, noting that even the minimum temperature increase can significantly inhibit coral reproduction cycles throughout the season. The Ministry of Environmental Affairs has begun to subsidize innovative research programs that transform traditional monitoring methods into cutting-edge technological approaches. Ocean currents transport essential nutrients across vast distances, creating intricate biological systems that underlie marine biodiversity patterns worldwide. When fish populations migrate to cooler waters, experienced scientists presume this behavior reflects their rational response to increasing environmental stress and changing conditions. Nevertheless, the scope of these dramatic changes extends far beyond what researchers initially anticipated or predicted in their models. Recent comprehensive studies suggest that protecting marine sanctuaries overseas serves a dual motive: preserving biodiversity while allowing damaged ecosystems sufficient time to recover naturally. Scientists utilize sophisticated underwater cameras and specialized tape recordings to document species behavior systematically, creating comprehensive databases that help predict future environmental changes. The mounting evidence clearly demonstrates that immediate coordinated action is absolutely essential.